Bye, buddy.
Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin. Will you be an angel for a helpless animal? Every day, innocent animals are abused, beaten, and neglected, and they're crying out for help. Please, call the number on your screen and join the BC SPCA with a monthly gift right now.
Yep. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's light. What's that? Oh, that's the other side. So can't really tell, but that's an exhaust runner, because that's the other side of the block. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. But look at this mist of... That is piston. That is pieces of piston. Fuck. Oh, yeah. Yeah. She did the damn thing. I don't really see any fragments like in the exhaust. Oh wait, yeah I do. Holy shit. Ooh. Ooh. But it might have just been literally like just fragments. How a piece of piston get up here? Messy ass. That's the floor. Ooh. It's leaking. I can see the floor from here. And the turbo's fucked. Yep. That sucks. Well, so much for that. So take a look at cylinder 6 over here. Notice anything strange? So cylinder 6 was clogged up with some kind of debris. We use a Aeromotive A1000 filter with a 10 micron stainless filter in there. We've used that kind of filter for years on this car and on the previous car. Never really had any issues. But we did use one fuel line from the tank to a Y. I guess it was literally a 3Y section of dash 8, and not sure if it was ethanol compatible or not, and it's possible that it could have introduced the debris into the system and it got past the filter. It clogged up cylinder 6. With that being said, we are pretty confident that cylinder 6's failure came from the clogged injector. It wasn't necessarily the IATs or the coolant tips getting too hot. It was that cylinder 6 had a poor spray pattern, couldn't atomize, caused that cylinder to run very lean and very hot, ultimately causing that cylinder to basically catastrophically melt down and ruined cylinder 6 and did all the damage that you see here in this video. In the meantime, we did upgrade our filter setup to a Injector Dynamics IDF 1250. So we replaced the Aeromotive with the Injector Dynamics one. And I believe it's a 6 micron, and the filter in it is much better than the Aeromotive one. Damn, that's crazy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow. What is that little spring?
So there's this piece of wire. Oh, this is a wrist pin clip for the piston. No, but I don't know what that is. Interesting.
Oh, it's real nice.
Oh, here's another wrist pin clip from that piston.
Yeah. It's Barney Rubble.
We should probably get that. Oh, what's that screw? Some rivet or something. We should probably put this in that pan we just had.
Real nice. Real nice.
Or dump it on the ground. Some more piston. This piston had a bad life.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Got the motor apart. I like rocks.
I ain't retarded or nothing, but I like rocks. So basically, it gets better the further you go forward.
Right.
But these oil squirters are not good.
Yeeted. That one's a little bent out the way.
This little spring, the little spring from the oil pan came out of here, and that was the plug for it. See how they all got a plug and this one doesn't?
Oh.
There's a little ball under there.
Yeah. Interesting. That cylinder is tired, boss. That's tired.
You want to see something funny?
Oh. Oh, it's brittle.
Well, it was already cracked.
Dang. Yeah, so the natural progression of things. Cylinder 6 piston does not exist. Bearing looks a little
Bearing was wasted on that.
little toasty. And then this one's 5. Skirt's all beat up on it. 4 skirt's beat up on it. But that's all from the shrapnel making its way down. Making its way downtown.
This is actually normal. Normal. Missing.
Missing. Yeah.
Missing.
And then, of course, y'all saw the carnage in the pan. PHR oil pump.
That's rebuildable.
Yeah, I might keep that, but send it off.
Yeah, send it back to them. Be like, hey, I had a problem.
Yeah.
I'd like to put this on the shelf.
Crank looks okay, but you can definitely tell that cylinder 6 was a problem. It's crazy how much darker it is than everything else.
We got hot from that bearing spinning.
We got hot, boss.
Yeah, this is the bearing from number 6.
Yeah.
Somebody in your YouTube video is going to tell me to clip my fucking fingernails. Watch.
You should.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Well,
Just don't fucking eat them.
that is a completely destroyed 2J. Nothing is salvageable. I mean, the crank maybe.
And pan, this section of it, not that one.
Well, not after we just
No, it's better than
bent
the other
the
one.
shit out of it.
It's better than the one we don't have if we send a crank through the bottom of that one.
That's true. Maybe that's rebuildable.
Probably rebuildable.
Maybe.
Pretty much trash.
Done.
I doubt we need
done.
main bolts, but there they are. We're gonna keep all these bolts. Those are spare oil pan bolts.
Yep.
And
Crank
he
can be
doesn't want
polished.
to, but we're gonna keep this just in case we need one.
Yeah.
What's the rest of it?
Poor baby. This is going in the dumpster though. It's gonna make a big bada boom.
We're gonna throw it in one of them side holes.
Oh, yeah.
So we don't
That'll
have
work.
to work too hard.
And there's the new hotness. Billet Maine.
It's a gazillion degrees out here. You're filming this, aren't you?
It's a nice funeral.
Watch it. Oh, I guess we don't know yet anymore. You want to step back?
Bye, buddy. Salt bay it.
That's it. Do these bolts do anything cool? Probably not.
On second thought. So what?
It's a box in a box.
A box in a box. Probably in a box. I be getting some head. Getting some head. Did you know? It's a head.
I don't think that's super obvious yet.
He did say we were gonna hate him after
As long as it looks good inside of here, I won't hate him. I'm starting to question
another box.
some things.
It's in a.
This feels like a joke.
It's in a. It's a box in a box. It's my head in the box. Ooh, it's
What's that?
pretty.
No, this is where he said he like.
Yeah, he
plugged.
threaded in some plugs for us. Instead of the balls, I think.
Yeah, balls are gay. Oh, I forgot to wear a belt. Now everybody's gonna see my balls. Yeah, you should probably pull the box off of it as I do this.
Oh yeah, you got it. It's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
I'll hurt your back.
See, what you have to do is twist in jerking motions as you lift.
Well, maybe we should just. Oh, there we go. Oh God!
It's control. We're good.
Don't drop it.
Here, pull some stuff off.
Yeah, Ivan, you did a good job. They're packaging, bud.
You know, didn't he just have a baby?
Something like that.
I thought for a minute he didn't know how to. I don't know what he does.
He's pretty good.
Oh, fuck. Put tape in here.
Yeah, well, I have to keep the buckets in.
Yeah, I know.
Something I didn't do. Sorry. And they were like floating around in all the packaging. Oh God!
Oh, really?
That knife got really close to my face.
I had control of it mostly.
Looking good. Snazzy.
They cleaned all the old galleries so he pulled those old balls out.
He hooked this up, bro. He did a good job on this thing. I can't wait to see what the chamber looks like on the other side.
Remember that time that another company, you know, this guy's always talking about his competition, fucking stuff up mostly.
Yeah.
I'm not going to name the other company that said, you can't repair that.
Oh, yeah.
But supposedly they're really good.
Yeah.
I'm not believing it anymore, honestly.
Yeah. We won't mention them.
Especially after their shitty comments online.
Yeah, we won't make it. We won't play any games. Do what?
Got that chamber unfucked.
Looks. There was one that was like completely untouched. I want to say it was this one.
Yeah, probably. Stock. Both of these are not stock.
Yeah. That'll do, donkey. We had to get the dowel out of the stock cam to put into this cam because when cylinder 6 let go, it probably jammed something up, caused this to continue to spin, and basically sheared that dowel off. So we destroyed the stock cam to punch it out through the back to get the dowel out for the VVTi cam gear. Alright, first start on the newly built motor. What you want to do? You want to try it?
Go for it. Want to start off, right?
In theory. Wow.
We're spraying ATF.
Good sign though. We'll fix that and come back. Alright. Fix the power steering leak. Let's try this again. Fired up first try with the new motor, new bottom end, rebuilt head with stainless valves and new GSC springs, pocket port. Decked a little bit, got the cylinder repaired for the cylinder 6, and our buddy Ivan over at Higher Power Performance, he did an awesome job. First start up first try, and out of it for a little bit. Got it up to about 3,000 RPMs, broke the motor in, did an oil change, very minimal, metal in the oil, it was totally normal and acceptable. Justin's tightening up a little bit more. But no, I didn't put too much in there because we drank it all out. I didn't even put a quart in it. Looks like we're about to go. Alright. Front end on right now, so we're just going to kind of keep it very basic to see how it drives, and then we'll make a single pull on 10 pounds. Take the log. Oh, we added something. So I used to be, I mean, I kind of still am, no bob gang, no blow off valve gang. But ever since I lost my T51R mod from going to this next gen H cover, I've just lost that little, just a little ricer touch that I gotta have. And so anyways, I have to have something. So tile blow off valve it is. So far, I like it. We'll go up here, turn around, and do a little 10-pound hit, like third gear or something. Alright. Battery voltage is only 11.4 volts. That's really low. I need to check that out. Strange. Huh. Breaker in.